create the behavior without having first already gone, okay, how do I actually want to feel at the end of this? Because how you want to feel is going to determine the behavior. The behavior doesn't determine how you feel. With that, right, the idea of what we're doing is you are going through the process where you've had this experience and you are sick of behaving a certain way, and you mentally rehearse the behavior, right? But the thing with the behavior, and the thing with even the mental, even if you rehearse it another way, if you don't go through the process and connect with the emotion of doing it a different way, you'll never actually go through the path of going a different way. And so when you go through and you rehearse the behavior, what you want to do is you want to, like, the way I typically frame it, and I tell people to do it, is like, you want to, it's not something you can actually do, but mentally you can. You want to feel guilty before you do the behavior, or at least while doing the behavior. And so when you're doing the mental rehearsal, the second you start doing the behavior, the guilt comes in. So you start like linking those two together, right? Because typically speaking, when people want to change behavior, it's because they usually feel guilty about the behavior after the fact. Regardless of whether they did anything wrong or not, there's like, I could do a better job, I could be a better person, I could do whatever the insert random label they tell themselves, right? There's usually a lot of guilt associated with the behavior you don't like. But the guilt comes after the effect. Whereas when you tie it directly to the behavior as the behavior is happening, then the brain starts making it. And when you rehearse that in your brain and you start attaching that, and then you go, okay, like this is actually how I want it, and then like how it feels when I respond differently, you run through this process. And typically like the general overview is like, run through the process as you see it, like through your own eyes. Step out of that, run through it through the third person. Okay, now typically speaking, because most people suck at imagining themselves putting on a brand new behavior, you go, okay, if there was anyone in the world that could respond in the way that you want to respond, who would that be? And let's say you say, oh, it's Clay, because he's such a handsome devil. Okay, and then so you put me in the space, and then I go through and I behave with the response that you'd like. And then so you watch that in third person, you're like, okay, I see how it works and I see how it feels. Then you put yourself back in the process and you go, okay, like I can just model Clay. So now you're in the exact same process at the same time as me. So you're modeling me, right? If we're using me as an example. Now you've seen yourself act in that way. Then you pull me out. Then you watch yourself act in that same way without me in there. Then you step back in the situation yourself and you run through it that way while connected to all the feelings that you want to feel that are going to guide the behavior in a different way. And that is a process that will start to shift your behavior. That's the whole point with new behavior generator. So that is specifically used around if you have a behavior that you don't like, that you want to stop, that's one way to stop it.